Hello everybody, it's Susan, Butler Family Farm. Welcome to our farmstead, and today is, well, Demolition Day. We had talked about remodeling our nursery area for, I don't know, several years. We talked seriously about it last fall when we had Velvet out here and we had little Jerry. And the building itself was leaky and drafty, which, you know, to the animals is not a big deal, but to me it is. So I'm trying to keep them as, you know, natural as much, but when I have to bring a baby up here, and I've had goats up here and I've had calves up here, bottle feeding, all that stuff, and we've had a couple of horses in here. So we've got a plan, a semi-plan, being that it was a pretty nice day and Robert was in a demolition mode. We went ahead and started taking apart. Now, I don't have the before. The editor is going to have to find a before picture, which isn't too far back. There's some buildings with with Velvet and little Jerry when they were up here bottle fed. But anyway, here's what's happened so far. Everything. All that's left technically is the screen door that I like. It's easy to go in, but we've got the building taken down. Some of this wood may be, the bigger pieces over here may be salvageable, I'm not sure. But this building's been here for over 16 years because it was here as a chicken coop when we moved on the property. But here's some more wood that might be salvageable, and I've got a couple different piles going. This was the tin and some wire. The tin was the roof. And then they used particle board for the sides, which is not salvageable. So we're working on trying to get some T-posts out that have been here since we've been here. We put them in. We used to have our chickens out here. And I'm not sure if we put rock in there or some, I don't think we put cement.
7-foot poles.
Oh, 7 foot, okay, so there's 7-foot poles.
In the ground.
And so we've got 3 feet in the ground. But where he's working on the T-post is going to be actually the back of the building, and then we're going to have a bigger yard area because I'm always putting together some kind of trapezoid of panels and horse panels, and you saw what little Jerry and Velvet were in. So we're going to make a bigger yard for them with the buildings at the back. Not so much, probably the same, I don't know. I'm not sure anymore, but it is going to be bigger. I think we're going to use, make some huts to put back here, about 3 of them, because for those little guys that's all you really need. And if we had a bigger animal back here like a horse, then we'll make some kind of, I don't know, we'll change it around. But anyway, Demolition Day, and part 1 of one of our 2023 projects. So stay tuned. probably. So just a little update, even though it's not the building update, we did get all the cattle panels out, hog panels. We got our heavy duty silver panels all moved out and stacked, and we got all the wood pieces in piles. We have certain piles for things, and all the wires picked up. T-posts are out, so pretty good demolition afternoon. Stay tuned. As I said before, there's more on the next video about the nursery.